So welcome to Blackhat hacking series. So in this video we'll be discussing about the email gathering. Now why email gathering is very important. What is email gathering? As you have learned that how to create trojans, how to create phishing pages, etc. Now obviously you have to target someone. You need business people to whom you can send your trojans. You need business people to send your phishing links so that once they double click or once they fill your things, only then you'll be able to gain something back from them. Now how you will send to them, what identity you need of them, obviously their emails, and from where you get the emails, by email gathering process. So the emails are very important. You must be having like maybe 1 million business emails, 10,000 business emails, 100,000 business emails. We need them, only then we can target them. So how we can gather them? Basically we have three methods to collect the emails. The one is one by one. Now you'll be thinking that do one like if you want to collect maybe 10,000 emails, do one by one will be working? Is it really a practical process? According to me, yes, because in one by one you're actually be going on only the specific companies which is in your head. Maybe there is a very big shoe export company in China with the name of maybe ABC Exports. So you know they do a very well business. So what you can do is you just search for them and you gather the specific their employee emails, you know, who do the business on behalf of them. They keep on sitting in the office of the ABC Exports office. They sit there, they speak with the people in the abroad, they do the business, and then they take the funds in the company's account. So if you're able to hack their employees, you'll be able to monitor their transactions, and you'll be also be redirect the transactions in your account. So you don't need to actually gather 10,000 emails. Maybe ABC Exports just have 100 employees. You just gather their 10, 20, 30 employees emails. That's it. You just keep on targeting them, hack them, and do your job. So how you do that? You just create an account on LinkedIn where every business company and the employees are there. You just have to search for maybe any company, like there is a Smart Data, for example. It's a company, and here you see all the 67 employees they have on the LinkedIn, and you can connect to any of them. You just click connect, and they will accept your connection like a Facebook request. Once they accept it, you just go to their profile and you'll see contact info. You click on that, you'll see their phone numbers, their email IDs, their birthdays, everything. So you can just copy their email IDs and keep on writing them. Just gather their 10-20 employees and that's it. Then just keep on targeting them. So this is also a very good way to just keep on gathering little emails. There is no point, right, sending 10,000 peoples daily and you're just receiving 2 victims back. It's not, I think, a practical way. Rather than you just sending 20 emails per day to a quality people and you're getting 2 victims per day, I think it's a more success rate, because you are actually targeting the exact person you want to target. So the second thing is gathering the random emails. Now what is random emails? There are some softwares which gathers emails for us, where you can just fill into like like a business, Alibaba, real estate, doctors, and it will keep on finding the emails for you all across the globe. Maybe someone from China, a doctor, maybe someone from US, a doctor email. So it will not be a specific company or it will not be a specific country. So their success rate could be less, because you are actually gathering required or unrequired, every type of emails would be there. Quality emails, non-quality emails, everything would be a mixture. But it's an easy process. You're getting the emails simply without any hassle, without any work. So how we do that? Even we have a software in your toolkit, email extractor. We just have to install it. Before that you have to install Microsoft .NET framework, which is also there in your toolkit, and I already have it. So I repair the application. Next, but you just have to install it. Okay, I do not run. Finish, because I have to copy the crack. I go to C drive, program files, email extractor, and I paste it. Copy and replace. It's finally cracked. It's a full version now. So I'll run the tool. And here you have a search bar where you can type maybe Alibaba, real estate, maybe doctors, anything you want, and start search. Now as much time you will keep this software running on, as much emails it will start gathering. So if you see, it started gathering quality emails. These all are the business people linked with Alibaba. It's trying to fetch more. As you can see, 27 gathered till now. All, can you see, info, sales at the rate, all are business people linked with Alibaba. Very nice, this one as well. And if you see, source is all alibaba.com, because Alibaba is a business website. 29 now. So anytime you can stop. As much time you'll keep it running, as much more results you'll get. So after that you can save them, text, emails, and finish. That's it. And if you open it in the Notepad++, you'll see your emails. Export. Third way is that you just buy a targeted company emails. These are the websites basically who sells the targeted company emails, specific country, specific company even. So you just open it, any of the website like reachgulfbusiness.com. They have a pricing tab. If you go to the pricing, and you'll see the all Middle East emails, $300, and they have 100,000 emails of that. Only UAE emails, $200. Saudi Arabia emails, $90. So they have a listing. As much emails you buy, as much you pay the cost. Simple. So I hope you got an idea regarding all the three methods through which you can gather the emails by one, through that email extractor software as well, or by the buying of the emails as well. And once you have the emails, then we use a good SMTP server which can deliver your Trojans, your phishing links to them in their inbox, through which you'll be able to send 100,000 emails per day even. That's SMTP, which we'll discuss in the later on series. And you're ready to send. So I hope you liked the video, and thank you for watching.